Question 1.
D.
Please go ahead. Question 1.
D. Delhi.
Option B, sir. Orbital.
It reads that, which of the following statements are correct? NF3, trigonal planar, true or false?
Sir, false.
False.
This is naturally false. This is naturally false. What will be the structure of NF3?
Pyramidal.
One pair. Naturally, it will be pyramidal.
Trigonal pyramidal.
Only pyramidal. You don't call it trigonal pyramidal. It's like ammonia pyramidal. So the first statement is false. Bond length of nitrogen is shorter than oxygen. True or false?
True.
True. Naturally, this will be
True.
smaller. Bond length will be smaller because this is about triple bond shorter than second bond, double bond. So this is true. Isoelectronic molecules have identical bond order. True or false?
True, sir.
True, sir.
Hello. हेलो बेटा क्लास में भी हमें पढ़ा रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट वन. Next one, true or false? I'll do dipole moment sooner than later. Maybe at the next opportunity I'll do dipole moment. But dipole moment is just a measure of the dipole in a molecule. More electronegativity would impart more dipole. So H2O more than H2S is the case. So this again will be a false statement. Water का ज़्यादा होगा, H2S का कम होगा. B and C. D Delhi. How many of you got D Delhi right? Tell me your names. We'll want to move on. One D Delhi.
Arav Sureka.
Mayank, sir.
Akshay Agarwal.
Question 2. In which case the bond order increases and paramagnetic becomes diamagnetic?
A.
Sir, A.
A.
See, for the bond order to increase, you should be very, very particular about, at some point of time knowing कि bond order 14 का होता है 3, 15 का होता है 2.5, ये सब instinctive हो जाना चाहिए. 16 का होता है 2 और 18 का होता है 1. How on earth it will be A? यहाँ पर naturally it is becoming diamagnetic, but the bond order is decreasing. 16, 18, you want it to be on your fingertips. 10 minus 6 by 2, 10 minus 8 by 2, very clearly I tell you. 16 ka bond order 2, 18 ka bond order 1. Somewhere or the other you will want to be instinctive about it. A is wrong. What is the right answer? Come on.
Sir, option C, sir.
C.
How could this be diamagnetic? This is an odd number. Devesh, we did it in the live class as well. Paramagnetic becoming diamagnetic. What is wrong with you, man? This is becoming paramagnetic from diamagnetic.
Option B, sir.
B is indeed right. Who is saying B? Tell me your name.
Sir, Mayank.
Mayank. Sounds good, Mayank. Naturally 14 का maximum bond order है. C तो सबसे incorrect answer है because यहाँ bond order कम भी होगा और diamagnetic से paramagnetic होगा. C is criminal. B Bombay is right. कम से कम D में bond order बढ़ता है. कम से कम A में पैरामैग्नेटिक से डायमैग्नेटिक होता है. बट C इज क्रिमिनल. यहाँ तो दोनों का उल्टा होता है. बॉन्ड ऑर्डर भी कमता है और डायमैग्नेटिक से पैरामैग्नेटिक भी होता है. B Bombay, bond order will increase from 2.5 to 3 and the paramagnetic will become diamagnetic. We'll want to move on. Question 3, please go ahead. Tell me.
Option A आ रहा है.
A. Arav
Absolutely
Sureka.
light. Absolutely light. Yes, Arav, you're doing good. Arav Sureka, good job. पहले वाला भी अपना नाम बता दो. Acetylide will come from acetylene और ये ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होगा जहां पर 14 होगा. ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होगा जहां पर 14 होगा. ऐसे ही सॉल्व करते हैं. बॉन्ड ऑर्डर मेरे को 3 चाहिए. यहाँ पे 14 है, यहाँ पे 15 है, यहाँ पे 17 है, यहाँ पे 13 है. तो बॉन्ड ऑर्डर मेरे को पता होना चाहिए. 14 का 3, इसका 2.5, इसका 1.5, इसका 2.5. One way or the other you will want to be good at it. So Ranali, you have not attended my theory class, so maybe you need some help there. Maybe you'll want to ask for the theory class once the class gets over. Else, keep responding. Question 4.
Option A.
Sir, A. Option
A
A.
Arav Sureka.
हाँ
18, 14, 14. You should be instinctive about it. 18 के लिए 10 minus 8 by 2. ये सब मैं बता दिया हूँ. 14 के लिए 10 minus 4 by 2. 14 and thereafter it's 10 minus the number by 2. 1, 3, 3. 4 का A. How many if you got 4 right? Tell me your name.
Arav
Mayank,
Sureka.
sir.
अक्षय अग्रवाल
Then Arav.
शुभम मोहता
Sounds good, man.
अक्षय
By the way,
अग्रवाल
wish you a very happy Raksha Bandhan. I forgot to wish you. Hope you had a great day today. Question 5.
Sir, A.
A Arav Sureka.
Unpaired electron for nitrogen is naturally 0 because it's diamagnetic. N2 plus 13 will have one unpaired electron because this was, remember, sigma 2px2, and it will get unpaired. This will be sigma 2p1. O2, the entire story got started with this. Pi star 2p1, pi star 2p1. Naturally ये yz में लेता हूँ, ये x by yz direct कुछ भी ले सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे number of unpaired electron is 2. O2 plus, naturally with a configuration 15, either this or this will be filled, and naturally you'll have one unpaired electron. So oxygen 2, O2 plus 1, N2 plus 1, N2 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 5A Agra looks the right answer. Please go ahead if you have a doubt, otherwise we'll want to move to question 6. How many of you got 5 right? Tell me your names.
Arav Sureka.
Mayank, sir.
अक्षय अग्रवाल
Question 6, my friends. Question 6. Paramagnetic.
Sir, 4.
How many paramagnetic?
4, sir.
4.
4 sounds to be the common answer. 4 sounds to be the common answer. And which 4?
Sir, B2, C2 minus, O2 plus, and He2 plus.
Sounds good. And I can obviously recognize your voice as well. C2 minus is 13. O2 plus is 15. He2 plus is 3. Now with odd number of electrons, see, with odd number of electrons, it's always going to be paramagnetic. I repeat, with odd number of electrons, it will always be paramagnetic. With even number, you associate diamagnetism. But two of them, B2 with a count 10 and O2 with a count 16, if you have done this topic diligently, these are the two which are even number but still paramagnetic. So how do you get paramagnetism? Either they could be an odd count of electrons, so odd would mean naturally it's paramagnetic, or remember these are the only two cases which are even, still paramagnetic, which is B2 and O2. In this case, B2, 13, 15, 3. Indeed, 4 is the right answer. How many of you got 6 right? Please let me know with your name.
Arav
Mayank.
Sureka.
Sir, Akshit Rao.
अक्षय अग्रवाल
We move to question 7. How many have identical bond order? Naturally, for identical bond order, you'll want
3.
same number of
3.
electrons. What's the count of 3 is the right answer. NCN minus NO2 plus, and I think it's got to be O2 2 plus. Cn minus, this is how you go about it. 7, 6, 13, 1, 14. This is 7 plus 8, 15 minus 1, 14. And this I believe is 16 minus 2, 14. 14 would mean all of them will have bond order 3, and the answer is 3 as well. Sounds good, my friends. Keep it up. How many of you got 7 right? Tell me your names and we
Arav
move to
Sureka.
question.
अक्षय अग्रवाल
Please don't hesitate in, coming up with your name if you got it right. That is what is going to drive, the online class. Question 8. How many diamagnetic?
Sir, 2.
2.
N2 and O2 2 minus.
14. Now this is 13, and this is 15, and this is 16. Now 16, you remember, was paramagnetic. This is 16, this is 15, this is 17. So 16 is something which is also, although an odd number, but paramagnetic. Rest are odd number of electrons. 18 is the other one, which is O2 2 minus or fluorine, and the only species of oxygen which is diamagnetic. So yet again, tell me your names. How many of you got it right? Diamagnetic.
Arav
Two of
Sureka.
them sounds good.
Mayank.
अक्षय अग्रवाल
Question 9. Question 9.
Sir, A.
Option A, sir.
A.
Any day, this is 15, 16, 17, 18 with 2.5, 2, 1.5, and 1 as the corresponding bond order. This has to be instinctive again. Everybody should have got it right. When I asked this question and you have done this topic all right, everybody should tell me their name. I would be surprised if somebody did not get it right because it's there in the notes which you have, very precisely I talk about this question. It comes almost every year in the exam. How many of you got 9 ka A right? Tell me your name. I want many names here.
Sureka.
अक्षय
Swarnim.
Mayank.
अग्रवाल
Rakshit Saraf.
See, there will be no apprehension in coming up with your name. Come on, I thought everybody would have got it right. In the live class, I get all arms raised. I get 100% people telling me the right answer. There's some people I don't know, for some reason I'll be apprehensive. Never mind. Question 10.
A.
Sir, A and C. A and C only.
See, by removing an electron, the molecule will become stronger. Molecule will become stronger if bond order increases. And bond order will increase only if the removal of an electron is happening from an anti-bonding MO. This is something which I've said in the class, and it could be so very simplified. Bond order would increase, the bond will become stronger if the electron goes from an anti-bonding orbital. And anti-bonding orbital se kam niklega if it's more than 14. So 15, 14 नहीं होगा, 16, 12 नहीं होगा, 10 नहीं होगा. यहाँ पर जो वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होगा वो बॉन्डिंग एमओ में जाएगा. But 15 and 16, you are sure that they're going into anti-bonding MO.
Sir, can you
Please
explain
get
question 10 again? Like,
I'm repeating it one more time. In question 10, it's got to become more strong by removing an electron. And it will become stronger if the bond order increases. And the bond
Yes.
order will increase if the electron is going from an anti-bonding MO.
Yes, sir,
So I
got it.
told you, Swarnali, you'll have to just, go past a very basic set of, information which I provide in the theory class. And there, people there in the class right now who have been there in my live class would obviously want to respond. I tell you कि 14 के बाद सारा एंटी बॉन्डिंग में जाता है, ऐसा नो? Come on, tell me, folks. 14 के बाद सारा एंटी बॉन्डिंग में जाता है. I
Yes.
do speak
yes
about
sir
it. तो 15 और 15 में एंटी बॉन्डिंग में जाएगा और एंटी बॉन्डिंग से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकलेगा. वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इसका एंटी बॉन्डिंग में जा रहा है. I can actually tell you which anti-bonding. It could be pi star to py1 or pi star to pz1. It's both pi star to py1 and pi star to pz1. यहाँ पे दोनों anti-bonding में है. But the process is about knowing that both of them will lose electron from anti-bonding MO. In the process, bond order will increase. 11 will want to be a little faster than this. 11.
Option B.
B. R of Sureka.
14, 16, 18. 14, 16, 18. The bond
B
order is
अक्षय
3,
अग्रवाल
2 and 1. Yes, please.
B
B.
Yes,
Bomb.
please. B Bombay.
yes sir
Okay, sounds good. We move on. According to MOT, the number of unpaired electrons in O22 minus is
0.
0.
0. Looks good. जो 0 बोलेगा वो हीरो बनेगा.
0
Come on, tell me your name. 0
R
मतलब
of Sureka.
क्वेश्चन में हीरो.
अक्षय अग्रवाल
13 quickly.
Sir,
O2
A.
minus.
Option
A.
Yes,
Option
please.
A.
Option A. Option A.
14.
0.
A. 0.
Actually 0 because ये भी 14 होगा, ये भी 14 होगा. So they'll have equal bond order. 15.
15.
15.
15 का 15. 15 का 15, bond order 2.5, the first thing which will come to your mind is something like NO. Something like NO with 15, naturally, bond order 10 minus 5 by 2. So, without complicating things, people come up with different ideas, different thoughts, but I go with the most common answer, which is 15. People talk about 13 as a possibility, but in 13, I don't find a neutral molecule. It's a neutral molecule. So if you have understood me, I will go with a safe answer, which is 15. Moving on, 16.
D, option D.
D.
Option D.
Arab Street.
D.
One of the simplest questions you'll come across. Fluorine ka 1, oxygen ka 2, neon ka 4. Right answer is D, really?
D.
Option D.
हाँ sir.
नाम बताओ, नाम बताओ, नाम बताओ.
Pranali.
Good job.
Arab Street.
Mayank.
Akshay Agarwal.
17, the species which does not exist.
B2.
B.
D2.
D2.
Option D.
T2 with a count 8, half, 4 minus 4. It's exactly how you want to respond. There in your notes, told you BE2 will have a bond order 0. Does not exist. 18.
Sir, D.
Option D.
D.
So with minimum bond strength, you'll want to have minimum bond order. And the bond order is say 2.5, 3, 2.5, and 2. D बॉन्ड ऑर्डर निकालने में ना एकदम बिल्कुल एफिशिएंसी होना चाहिए. बॉन्ड ऑर्डर सबसे कम डी डेली. यू कैन टेल मी योर नेम्स एज वेल. हाउ मेनी यू गॉट 18 का डी राइट?
Arab Street.
Mayank.
19 is a nice problem. A result which I do tell you at times, or you'll want to note right now. This is the spin magnetic moment. There is a spin magnetic moment where n is the number of unpaired electrons. For n unpaired electrons, the spin magnetic moment will be root n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. Bohr magneton, Bm is the unit of measuring magnetic moment. With n unpaired electron, root n plus 2 will be the corresponding magnetic moment. Please respond if you understand 1.73 is basically root 3.
Sir, answer will be A, sir.
Answer will be A. Tell me your name.
Sir, Shubham Mohta.
Subham Mohta, doing a good job. Rest of you. Do you respond? Do you understand this? Root 3 would mean number of unpaired electron is 1. You please put 1
Yes,
here.
sir.
You put 1 here and you'll get root 3. And 1 होगा दोनों के लिए. 17 में भी एक unpaired electron है और 15 में भी एक unpaired electron है. You can check it at your convenience. Some of you would obviously know it right away. Moving on, question 20.
Option D, sir.
Your name, please.
Mayank.
Mayank, what is the count of electrons in Cn minus?
Cn minus 15, sir.
Count it
sorry.
with me. Carbon, how much?
6, sir.
Nitrogen?
Nitrogen 8, sir. 14, sorry. 14
Nitrogen?
and bond order will be 3, sir.
Yes. तो ये तो एकदम बिल्कुल
E.
सुइसाइडल है ना भाई. ऐसा गलती मत कर मेरे भाई, ऐसा गलती मत कर. ये फ्री का नंबर है. एग्जाम से निकल के आओगे ना, सिर पीटने लग जाओगे ये सब गलती करोगे तो. और हम लोग तो देख चुके हैं Cn माइनस CONO प्लस नाइट्रोजन देख चुके हैं. Don't commit a suicide like this, 6 plus 7 plus 1, 14, 3, diamagnetic. Everybody should come up with this answer. How many of you got 20 ka B right? $21.
Sir,
Sir,
B.
option C.
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 Copy class में
5
बोलो.
star 2.
हाँ. 21. Come on, tell me.
C. Calcutta.
Now O2 to O2 minus is about 16 becoming 17, and the incoming electron will go to a pi star 2px. ये pi star 2px हो या pi star 2py हो या pi star 2pz हो, ये मैं पहले ही बताया हूँ. You don't get very finicky about this. मैं जब बताता हूँ तो मैं इसको pi star 2py, pi star 2pz रखता हूँ because I go with sigma 2px, as the first variable. But it's basically pi star. Don't get finicky about x, y, or z. 22. Please go ahead. Tell me. Something getting stabilized by anion formation is the same as gaining electrons in a bonding MO. I think that being understood. An ion is about gaining electron, and naturally it will get stabilized if bond order increases. And you know, the bond order will increase if the incoming electron comes into a bonding MO. Now, please answer.
Sir, option A.
Option A.
क्योंकि 14 के बाद तो सारा एंटी बॉन्डिंग में ही जाएगा. देखो एक छोटा सा इंफॉर्मेशन कितना काम का है कि 14 के बाद सारा एंटी बॉन्डिंग में जाएगा. तो इट कैन सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस लाइक दिस कि आने वाला इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्डिंग में आना चाहिए, जाने वाला इलेक्ट्रॉन एंटी बॉन्डिंग से जाना चाहिए. मतलब अगर बोलूं कि इलेक्ट्रॉन आने से एनायन बनने से स्टेबल कौन सा होगा, ए. इलेक्ट्रॉन जाने से ज्यादा स्टेबल कौन सा होगा, बी, सी, डी, तीनों. बिकॉज तीनों में हमको पता है कि बॉन्ड ऑर्डर बढ़ेगा. आई होप यूर अंडरस्टैंडिंग मी.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
23 diamagnetic.
Sir, option B.
Option B,
It
sir.
should not take this long. It should not take this long. It should not take this
B.
long. It should not take this long. 24. Again, it should not take this long. But I don't know what is, troubling you people.
D.
Yes, please. 24, come on. I thought, it would be like, come on, 24.
Sir, D.
24.
D, sir.
I wonder what is taking so long. 14, 16, 18, 16, 14 नाइट्रोजन का बेंचमार्क है. Triple bond, diamagnetic. Come on, you got to be faster than this. 25. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट है. जहां पर 2.5 के लिए 15 वाला भी हो सकता है और यहाँ पर 13 वाला भी हो सकता है. पर ये 15 वाला नहीं होगा, ये 13 वाला होगा. क्योंकि मैं तुम लोग को एक चीज बताया था कि C2 में जब मैं बताता हूं कि दोनों पाई बॉन्ड होता है, इसके लिए तुमको मेरा नोट्स पढ़ना होगा. आई डोंट वांट टू काइंड ऑफ स्पून फीड यू एवरी टाइम. ये ए भी हो सकता था, डी भी हो सकता था. ए क्यों नहीं होगा, डी क्यों होगा? थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओ इसमें. आई वांट यू पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई इट्स डी एंड नॉट ए. एनीबडी हु गॉट डी एज द राइट आंसर? ये पाई 2p/2 और पाई 2pz2 था, जिसकी वजह से इवेंचुअली इसका बॉन्ड ऑर्डर आ रहा था मेरा 2. उसके पहले वाला सारा कैंसिल हो रहा था, इफ यू रिमेंबर. बच्चे लोग हाँ ना बोलो. 13 में ये मान लो सिग्मा 2px1 में जाएगा, यहाँ पे 2 पाई और इसकी वजह से हाफ सिग्मा. गिव इट अ थॉट. आई थिंक यू गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड इट व्हाई इट्स नॉट ए एंड इट्स डी दिल्ली. गिव इट अ थॉट. ये बात मैं क्लास में बताता हूं. मैं ये भी बोलता हूं, पता नहीं अभी तक जेई में पूछा है कि नहीं पूछा. इनडायरेक्टली आप पूछ लिए. 2 पाई एंड हाफ सिग्मा इज अ वेरी नाइस कंसेप्ट. Pranali, you'll want to understand it, I'll send you a video.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
26.
Sir, option
Sir,
C.
C, sir.
Option C.
26 is a strange question. 26 is a very strange question. दोनों का बॉन्ड
Number,
ऑर्डर हाफ ही
Option C.
आएगा.
0
दोनों का
1.
बॉन्ड ऑर्डर हाफ ही आएगा. तो मैं बस ये मान लूंगा कि चलो हाफ है, नेगेटिव 0 तो नहीं है, तो मैं दोनों को स्टेबल बोल दूंगा. 27.
Sir, A.
Sir,
It's a
A.
repeat question. 15 to 14 is about paramagnetic becoming diamagnetic and 2.5 becoming 3. 28.
Sir, D.
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 3 दिल्ली, बिकॉज यहाँ पर काउंट आता है 4. ये हीलियम जैसा है, जहां पर नेचुरली 4 का मतलब होगा बॉन्ड ऑर्डर 2 - 2
0.
0. Got to be good at it. 28. How many of you got it right? Tell me your name.
Sir, Shubham
Akshay
Mata.
Agarwal.
Sir, Akshat Sara.
R.
29 into plus the number of electrons in
D.
sigma 2p.
D.
Sir, D.
इसीलिए मैं बॉम्बे दिल्ली बोलता हूँ, जिससे बी डी क्लियरली सुनाई दे. N2 प्लस इज 13. N2 में वो भर रहा था सिग्मा 2px में, तो नेचुरली N2 प्लस में इट विल बी सिग्मा 2px1. दिस इज रूटीन, वेरी स्कोरिंग. 1. D Delhi. How many of you got D Delhi right for 29?
Arif
Akshay
Rekha.
Agarwal.
Sir, Akshat Saraf.
Sir, Shubham Mohta.
30, which is paramagnetic. 30, which is paramagnetic.
Sir, D.
D.
Delhi.
D Delhi.
D Delhi.
D.
Again, the only one
Delhi.
with an even number but paramagnetic along with oxygen. ये दो ही है जिसमें even number होता है but paramagnetic होता है. 31.
Sir, A.
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 Sir,
A.
A.
बाकी सब सही है. न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड में तीन ही बताता हूँ. मैं न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड बनाता हूँ NO, N2O और CO. तो ये न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड है, सबको पता है. बॉन्ड ऑर्डर 15 के साथ 2.5 में पता है. It combines with oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide. Brown vapors is routine. You know it before class 10, before class 9. You know it as a test of oxygen. Anyways, A, it cannot be diamagnetic because it's paramagnetic. Bond order is 2.5 and the count of electrons is odd. 32.
Sir, B.
Sir,
B.
B.
Bombay.
B. Bombay.
Yet again, Bombay because it's certainly having an odd number of electrons. 33.
B Bombay.
Sir, A or B.
B Bombay is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Also यहाँ पर A भी correct है. यहाँ पर A और B दोनों ही right है. 34.
Sir, B
Sir,
Bombay.
B. Bombay.
B Bombay क्योंकि इसका बॉन्ड ऑर्डर 1 होता है, इन दोनों का बॉन्ड ऑर्डर हाफ होता है, पर मैं नोट्स में लिखवाता हूँ कि जब बॉन्ड ऑर्डर सेम होता है, जब बॉन्ड ऑर्डर सेम
Antibonding
होता है,
less stable.
सेम बॉन्ड ऑर्डर होने से दिस इज लेस स्टेबल बिकॉज इसमें मोर एंटी बॉन्डिंग NO
Antibonding.
है. जब बॉन्ड ऑर्डर सेम होता है, इसका 1 है ज्यादा है, बट जब दोनों का बॉन्ड ऑर्डर सेम होता है जिसमें एंटी बॉन्डिंग में ज्यादा आता है, वो कम स्टेबल होता है. 35 इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर क्वेश्चन. चारों ऑप्शन गलत है. यहां पर हाइड्रोजन, बोरॉन और लिथियम सबका बॉन्ड ऑर्डर 1 ही होगा. एंड इस कॉन्सेप्ट से ऑप्शन ई होना चाहिए, which is the right answer. The right answer is hydrogen more than lithium more than boron. Please then make the necessary change. It's not like you're 100% correct every time. 35, there is a mistake. I spoke about it in the Howrah batch and the Salt Lake batch. When all the bonds are equal, I simply believe कि जिसमें bond anti bonding में ज्यादा होगा वो कम stable होगा. 36. Please tell me.
Sir, D.
D.
दो लोग जवाब दे रहे हैं. इतने लोग क्लास में हो. डी दिल्ली एकदम बिल्कुल रूटीन क्वेश्चन
D
है.
Delhi.
O2 प्लस मोर देन O2 मोर देन O2 माइनस मोर देन O2 माइनस माइनस. अगर ये बॉन्ड ऑर्डर है तो नेचुरली O2 प्लस लेस देन O2 लेस देन O2 माइनस लेस देन O2 माइनस माइनस विल बी बॉन्ड लेंथ. ये सबको होना चाहिए. भैया नाम बताओ, कम से कम 5-10 जन अपना नाम बोलो. 36 जी. हाउ मेनी यू गॉट 36 जी राइट?
Shubham Mohta.
I got one name. How many of you got 36 G right? Come on. O2 plus will have minimum bond length. O2 minus minus will have maximum bond length. The reverse of bond order is bond length. Everybody knows this. Bond order and bond length are inversely proportional. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
37.
Sir, B.
B. Arif Rekha.
Sir, B.
14
B.
का bond order maximum, bond length minimum. 38.
A.
A.
A again because the count of electrons is 14
14.
each. 39.
A.
A.
बॉन्ड ऑर्डर NO का 2.5 है, इसका NO प्लस का 3 है. किसका बात सही है? बॉन्ड लेंथ ज्यादा होगा अगर बॉन्ड ऑर्डर कम होगा. यस और नो? कम ऑन टेल मी व्हाट इज योर आंसर.
B.
सॉरी.
B.
Sir, B
Sir,
Bombay.
B. B.
बी
Bombay.
बॉम्बे.
B.
बी
Bombay.
बॉम्बे. बी बॉम्बे. बॉन्ड ऑर्डर ज्यादा मतलब बॉन्ड लेंथ कम. NO प्लस का बॉन्ड लेंथ कम होगा बिकॉज बॉन्ड ऑर्डर ज्यादा है. 14-15 तो मेरे को पता है. ये 2.5 थी नहीं लिखा होता, 2.5 थी नहीं लिखा होता तो भी मैं निकाल लेता कि 15 के लिए 2.5 होता है, 14 के लिए 3 होता है. एंड नेचुरली इसका बॉन्ड ऑर्डर ज्यादा होगा और इसका बॉन्ड लेंथ ज्यादा होगा. B Bombay is the right answer. How many of you got B Bombay right? 39 B Bombay right.
Arav Suri.
Shubham Mohta.
Akshat sir.
I'm sure that more people would have got it right. I don't know what is the apprehension in sharing your name. So thankfully, we could go past this set of questions. When I see you tomorrow in the School Bagan batch, I'll start with the phenomena called resonance, followed by dipole moment, Fajan's rule in the upcoming classes. Thanks for attending the class. Stay happy, stay healthy. Take care. Good night. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Good
Thank
night,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
God bless you. Bye-bye.